Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to win at quarter pusher machines. To begin, always observe the machine carefully before playing. Look for machines where coins or prizes are already very close to the edge, almost ready to fall. Your success hinges on identifying these opportune moments and then applying a consistent, strategic approach to your coin drops. This isn't about luck, it's about smart play. Selecting the right machine is your first critical step. Spend a few minutes watching different machines. You want to find one with a substantial amount of coins already piled up on the pusher tray, especially those forming precarious stacks. Crucially, look for prizes or large groups of coins teetering right on the brink of falling. Avoid machines that appear recently emptied or have very few coins. Once you've chosen your machine, precision is key. Instead of dropping coins randomly, aim for a consistent spot, ideally at the back of the tray. This builds a stable stack that effectively pushes everything forward. Sometimes, a strategic bounce off the sidewall can also help dislodge stubborn coins or prizes. Focus on creating momentum with each carefully placed quarter. Finally, remember that patience is paramount. Winning at quarter pusher machines isn't usually a quick endeavor. It requires a disciplined approach over several minutes. Resist the urge to drop coins too quickly or haphazardly. A moderate investment of perhaps $5 to $10, applied strategically, often yields the most significant payouts. Stay focused, and your persistence will be rewarded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.